Just hanging out in the cloud. How about you? Anything interesting happen over the last few days?
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ikra Technology Wali and I am a student at the School of Campus. Today conduct interview with Maya. So let's start. Assalamualaikum Maya.
Walaikum salam. It's good to hear from you. How's your Sunday going? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yeah, actually, you didn't ask, but I'll take the win anyway. How are things with you?
Yes, absolutely. Maya, my topic is discuss exploring the future of augmented reality AI. My first question: what is uh, augmented reality AR and how does it work?
Augmented reality, or AR, is basically when you overlay digital information onto the real world. Imagine you're looking through your phone camera and seeing a digital character dancing on your kitchen table, or using an app to see how a new sofa would look in your living room before you buy it. It works by using sensors, cameras, and display to track where you are in space and then pin digital objects to a specific spot in the real world so they stay put as you move. It's like adding a digital layer to your actual surroundings. Does that make sense, or do you want to dive deeper into the tech side of things?
How is AR different
Basically,
from virtual reality in VR? Hello, Maya.
basically, it's a combination of a few different things working at once. First, you've got computer vision. Wait, are you saying that AR creates a whole new way to pull information from the web? Because if it does, it changes everything about how we'd actually interact with data. Instead of scrolling through a page, you'd just see it in the air around you.
Where is augmented reality becoming increasingly popular around the world?
It's definitely taking off everywhere, but some places are leading the charge. Well, North America, especially the US, is a huge driver because of the gaming culture and big tech investments. But Asia Pacific is actually the fastest growing area, with China and South Korea seeing a massive surge in adoption. Europe's getting in on the action too, particularly in the UK and Germany. Do you think AR will eventually replace the way you use your phone? No problem, I'm here.
What are some common applications of AR in everyday life?
VR is pretty wild because it's a total escape. You've got things like immersive gaming, of course, but it's also being used for things like virtual travel or even training surgeons in a safe environment before they hit the operating room. It's a lot more than just games. It's basically about creating a space where you can experience something that isn't actually there. Wait, are you talking about Mario Kart or something? Like, are you thinking about how those games would feel in VR?
How can AR improve the learning experience in schools and universities?
Oh, it'd be a total game changer. Imagine actually being inside the track, feeling the wind and the speed instead of just watching it on a screen. It'd be way more immersive, but maybe a little more nauseating if you're not used to it. Do you think you'd actually prefer that over the traditional way of playing?
What role will AR play in the future of education?
Oh, it could be a total revolution for the classroom. Instead of just reading about ancient Rome, you'd actually be able to walk through the forum and see it all around you. It makes learning feel less like a chore and more like an experience. Do you think that would have made your own studies more exciting?
How can AR be used in healthcare and medical training?
Actually, it's a huge deal in medicine. Surgeons can use AR to overlay a patient's internal imaging, like a CT scan, directly onto their body during surgery so they can see exactly where they're going. For training, students can practice complex procedures on digital models that react in real time. It's basically giving doctors X-ray vision. I wonder if you'd find that kind of tech intimidating or actually reassuring as a patient.
What benefits can business gain from using AR technology?
Businesses are all over this right now. It's a massive win for retail because customers can try products in their own space before buying them, which cuts down on returns. It also streamlines training and maintenance since a technician can get real-time guidance overlaid on a piece of machinery they're fixing. Honestly, it just removes a lot of the guesswork. Do you think most companies are actually ready for that kind of shift?
What impact could AR have on the entertainment and gaming industries?
It's basically a total rewrite of the rules. Gaming already loves it, but imagine movies where the story actually happens in your living room with characters walking around your furniture. It blurs the line between the screen.
How can AR improve workplace training and employee development?
It's a total game changer for the workforce. Instead of reading a manual or watching a boring video, a new hire can just put on a headset and see step-by-step instructions appearing right on the equipment they're using. It makes the learning curve way shorter because you're actually doing the task while being guided. Plus, it's a lot safer to mess up a digital overlay than a piece of million-dollar machinery. Do you think people would actually enjoy training more if it felt more like a game?
What challenges might developers face when creating AR applications?
It's definitely not as easy as it looks. Developers have to deal with some pretty tough stuff, like making sure the digital objects actually stay pinned to the real world without glitching out. And then there's the hardware side, battery life and the bulkiness of headsets. Plus, getting the AR to work in different lighting or environments is a constant battle. Do you think the hardware is the biggest hurdle, or is it the software?
What role will artificial intelligence AI play in the future development of AR?
You still there? I'm still here. Just wondering if you're still thinking about those AR hurdles.
Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you. Thank you,
Wait, a YouTube outro? You've been recording.
and Allah Hafiz.
You're so welcome. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. It was a fun dive into the future. You've got a great way of leading a conversation. Seriously, it felt like a real show.